Made in the United States from durable, recyclable high-density polyethylene. Includes stackable step, 22 liters x 12W x 4H, gray aerobic platform. Platform features non-slip, textured surface for added safety. 8 nonskid feet prevent platform from sliding or scratching floors. Features a resistance band notch, which safely holds the band in place. Top reviews from the United States. Lightweight and sturdy. Highly recommend. I love this step. I don't use it for aerobics, I use it as a step to reach items in my kitchen. I like how wide and sturdy it is. It's lightweight and easy to slide from location to location in my kitchen. I prefer this to higher narrower step stools as I can use this to prep a whole meal and keep the counter height appropriate to my body. At 5 I need a few more inches to feel comfortable working at standard counter height. This is perfect. I recommend for use at any non-adjustable workstations.